the mic a little higher. Give me your desire. I can be the star you've been eyeing. If I'm on a chair, you can't look away. Don't you know I'm here to save you? I'll be your idol, keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, good I see in your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary. No, I'm the only one right now. I won't love you more when it all burns down. More than power, more than gold. Yeah, you gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul. I'm the only one who loves your sins. Feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin. Listen, cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Give me your desire. I can be the star you've been eyeing. If I'm on a chair, you can't look away. Don't you know I'm here to save you? Got me running wild. Yeah, I'm all you need. I'ma be your idol. She not a fan, cancel what shit, I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me going viral. Yeah, now you're in the fever, making you a believer. Now to be in the torch, you had an idol. Living in your mind now, too late, cause you're mine now. I will make you pay when you're all a part of me. Preach it to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Give me your desire. Watch me set the world on fire. Never on a chair, you can't look away. No one is coming to save you. Now we running wild. You're down on your knees, I'ma be your idol.
Ay, dati mo. Tinanggal mo na lahat.
Ben
Yung kumain ka na.
Hindi yun. Yung BFP mo. Ben and Ben. Ben and Ben na naman.
Mamaya lang ito maghahanap to ng ano ng garon ko.
Kapangyarihan. Ang
The first
kapangyarihan.
party, baby. Johnson's Milk Plus Rice ang love namin.
Sino ba yun? Magwawagilin ang katahon. Election. Kapangyarihan ay nasa inyo. Sino ba kayo? Akala niyo po makapangyarihan.
Pag malakas ka pati ito. Marami ang kasama. Pag wala ang sakit ka na. Bisa naman siya.
Sino to?